On behalf of Brad and Kate, I wish to welcome you all to this special occasion. I know it means a great deal for them, for all of you to be here, and we thank you for it. This celebration is an outward symbol of a sacred and inward union of their hearts, a union which this couple freely chooses because of their love and commitment to each other.
Kate, I take you to be my wife, for now and forever, in all walks and stages of life. I promise to love you, to cherish you, to protect you, to guide you, to pursue you, to challenge you, to support you, and to frustrate you probably too. I promise to love you when it's easy and when it's difficult, but above all else, I promise to continue to lead you and our family to Christ and the great things He has for us.
Bradley, as I stand here about to take your hand for life, I'm filled with awe and wonder how God has orchestrated our lives to this point. I remember my first prayer over your life I journaled on August the 20th, 2016. It is the day that you expressed your desire to pursue me with patience. I prayed for that patience among us. I prayed for our Creator to keep the center of it all as we pursue Him first.
Marriage is God's idea. It was instituted by Him, and when His purpose and design for marriage are followed, it provides the most intimate bond of love and fulfillment that can be experienced by two people on this earth.
So beautiful. Three and a half years ago, I knew there was something different about you, and so did Scott. Seeing you work with the kids at Grace Works, you just stood out. Hearing you share the gospel with them was amazing. Hearing about your adventurous spirit was amazing. But now, 3 years later, I see what the true difference is, why I continue to have a longing to pursue you.
Since Brad and Kate have agreed together to join in holy marriage and have pledged their love and faithfulness to each other and have demonstrated this by joining hands and by giving and receiving rings, I pronounce that they are husband and wife together, those whom God has joined together, let no man tear apart. Brad, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to announce Mr. and Mrs. Brad Carter.
I'll forever choose you. I know that our love is heaven sent, and I promise to be here forever and always, Bradley.
Cannot wait to see where God leads us. Caitlin, Grace, I love you. I love you from now on until we cross over into eternity.